Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Leap Year Frog onesie. First, you will need to download the Fresh Cut application on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and navigate to the settings to link your Roblox account. This crucial first step ensures your progress is tracked and your reward can be delivered directly to your Roblox inventory. Next, you'll need to complete a couple of simple tasks within the Fresh Cut app. Spend at least 10 minutes watching any video content available. After that, make sure to use the heart button to like 10 different posts. These actions are essential for unlocking the special promo code for your onesie. Once you have completed the Fresh Cut tasks, you will be able to claim a unique promo code. Copy this code carefully. Then, launch the Roblox game called Avatar Outfit Creator. Locate the redemption area within the game and paste your promo code there. This will allow you to acquire the Leap Year Frog onesie. After successfully redeeming your code, the Leap Year Frog onesie will be added directly to your Roblox avatar inventory. You can then equip it and showcase your fun, frog-themed outfit to all your friends. Remember, this was a limited item with 15,000 copies available, making it quite special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.